Welcome to Cyber Saturdays. This is Tracy Norwood bringing you innovative IT solutions to help you be cyber smart. These are simple actions that we can take to keep our internet lives safe and secure. Identity theft is a year-round concern, but it tends to ramp up as taxpayers start filing their returns. That's why the United States Internal Revenue Service is warning taxpayers to be alert and stay vigilant. One way to do that is to file your return early. Tax-related identity theft can happen when a scammer steals your personal information and uses it to file a fraudulent return in your name. The scammer's goal is to steal your tax refund before you even realize it. So, the best way to avoid tax-related identity theft is to submit your tax returns early in the season before a scammer has a chance to. So until next time, stay safe from cybercrime during tax time by being cyber smart. Bye-bye.